Hi, today we're going to do a non-processed food. You all know what this is, and aside from all the cliches there are around garlic, vampire, smells badly, etc. and all that, over to Steph. What's in this?
An amazing compound called Allicin, and it has huge immune boosting and particularly anti-cancer properties. But what's really critical, and this is why we're doing garlic today, many people do not realize there is something magical when you prepare garlic ahead of time. So inside garlic, and it's all kind of juicy when it's nice and fresh, inside the cells, when you chop them open and release those juices, you are putting those cells, you're opening up those cells to oxygen, and the garlic tries to protect itself. And in doing that, the amount of antioxidant and the beneficial compounds in garlic massively increases, like by over 100 times it is considered. So
Wow.
what you do, I know, but it gets better.
Wow.
So many people know the benefits of garlic. However, once you put it into food, and many people put it in the beginning of cooking, most recipes tell you to put it in quite early on, you are killing off most of those beneficial compounds. So you don't get those benefits unless you have it raw, but having raw garlic is really tough, I know, and stinky. So the brilliant thing is, this is why we're including it, this is what I recommend you do. Whenever you see a recipe that contains garlic, prepare the garlic first. So peel it, chop it, or better still, crush it. The more meshed up it is, the more exposure to oxygen, the more you get all these supercharged benefits. And once that reaction has happened, the allicin with the oxygen, it survives heat. So now you can cook with garlic, and it's still awesome. Whereas if you hadn't pre-prepared it, it wouldn't be. And then you haven't got the stinkiness of raw garlic. It really is one of the most superfoods, genuinely superfoods. It's so complex. It's way more complex than anything the big pharma have ever made. And it is just brilliant for immune systems and protecting you from all sorts of illnesses. So pre-prepare it, crush it up, leave it exposed to the air, and then pop it in your cooking, and you'll get tons more benefits. And that, is what's in garlic. Amazing. Allicin. Go for it.
Take this, the Count. I think we forgot something, because I just asked this. For how long do you need to prepare the garlic before you chuck it in your food and cook with it?
Generally considered 10 minutes is enough, so minimum of 10 minutes, longer is fine. 10 minutes gives enough time for that chemical reaction to supercharge the allicin, to supercharge the goodness.
Did you say 10 minutes?
10 minutes. Did you hear that? 10 minutes.
10 minutes, the Count.